Kiuria kia no UKARIRUKIA bendera ya GITURWA kia UPRESIDENT thiini wa ngwataniro ya MUNGETHANIRO kironekana ta kirathio na mbere na kurigicana atongoria matiganite makionania gukorwo na mirugamo ngurani ya mutaratara uria ubatie ni kuhuthika kwamura no kang'ethanira na President William Ruto. MUHURANIRI wa GITURWA kia UPRESIDENT na tigiti wa Kiama kia Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiangi riu augite ati gubatie gukorwo na njira ya waragania na nyumukano ya guthura MUHURANIRI wa GITURWA giki.
We are going to agree when we get there, but in my view, from where I sit, it ought to be an inclusive process, because in alliance building and coalition building, process is as important as the outcome itself. Because if you have 5 candidates, you're going to go through a process where 4 candidates are going to come back without being nominated the flag bearers. They must have a basis, a credible basis of conviction to tell their
United opposition iko, lakini hakuna framework imetengenezwa mpaka sasa ya utaratibu wa kuchagua yule atakuwa flag bearer. Kwa hivyo ile inapeanwa kila mahali ni maoni.
Matiangi riu arendekithia ati gubangwo ndereti gatagati ka atongoria a MUNGETHANIRO aria maranyotera tigiti uyu akiuga ati ndereti ino ibatie ni kumemerekio ni nyumba cia mohoro iri ta njira ya gukuruhania muingi hari itua riria rigatuo.
If our interest is unity and to bring everybody together, then honestly there is no substitute for inclusion, including the public, and ensuring that we are open and transparent about these issues, talking to people. Maybe you guys from the media, because you are serious guys, from the media, you should even organize a presidential debate for opposition candidates.
Riendekithia riri rironekana atari kurehe mukurutano gatagati ka ahuraniri matiganite mwena wa MUNGETHANIRO mugokoretwo na riboti cia ati amwe ao makoretwo makiendekithia mutaratara wa kurora mundu uria ungikorwo na ithabu rinene ria aikia kura thutha wake na kana umenyeru wake uteti wa ihinda iraya.
Ingawa kunao wanataka kupeana impression wao ndio watachagua, yule atachaguliwa lazima iwe process ambayo ya wazi na ambayo inahusisha washikandao wote.
Absolutely.
Na washikandao wa muhimu zaidi ni wa Kenya.
My brothers and sisters, this is a journey, and it is not something that is going to be addressed and sorted out in a day.
Matiangi akwaragia thutha wa mucemanio wa kanju nene cia Kiama kia Jubilee na gia PNU ciama ici igiri cikiranira kurutithania wira guthie githurano-ini kinene kia mwaka ukite, na PNU gite ati ndikarugamia mundu githurano-ini kia UPRESIDENT ende ikahura jeki Dr. Matiangi.
Sasa sisi kama Jubilee na PNU tumeshikana tukasema kiongozi wetu kwa hiyo kiti ni Matiangi, lakini process ikifika iseme sio yeye ni mwingine, na iwe ni process ya uwazi, tuko tayari kuunga hiyo mkono.
Ciama ici igire cihocetie hari hinya wa gukorwo cianatongoria thirikari hindi ya President Moi wa Kibaki na Uhuru wa Kenyatta. Thirikari igire iria cikoretwo cigitugirio na njira nene ni kwamba muthingi wa uthii wa na mbere guku bururi-ini.
Tumechagua kamati ambayo itaketi sasa, technical committee, to work out the nitty-gritty of this arrangement, this agreement, this relationship.
Whatever we've decided to do today does not preclude other political parties or other individuals of like mind. That needs to be very clear. And it also needs to be very clear that this arrangement is within the ambit of the united opposition.
That there are many other parties that are willing to join us. We cannot for sure tell you now what our plans are, because that's what the agreement will contain. And when the time comes, we shall definitely.
Haduine Hakameme TV retore ya kwa nikimani wa Gujiri.